Paritosh Sen was born on October 18, 1918, died on October 22, 2008. He was a leading Indian artist. He was born in Dhaka, capital of Bangladesh. He was a founder member of the Calcutta Group, an art movement established in 1942 that did much to introduce modernism into Indian art. Paritosh Sen has a diploma in fine arts from the Government College of Arts and Crafts, Chennai. In 1942, he moved to Calcutta, where he and a group of friends formed the Calcutta Group, an association of artists that sought to incorporate contemporary values in Indian art. In 1949, he left for Paris to study further, attending, among other institutes, the Ecole des Beaux Arts. He received a fellowship for 1970–71 from the John D. Rockefeller III Fund. A prolific writer, Sen has published many works in both Bengali and in English, including a series of autobiographical vignettes titled Jindabahar Lane. His drawings and paintings are noted for their strong lines and bold, stylized strokes. Although color is an important aspect of his paintings, it is the human figure, expressing a myriad of emotions, that dominates his art. A recurrent subject in Sen's works is his depiction of scenes from everyday urban life. These activities are rendered from a cynical and detached perspective, which is typically Sen's viewpoint. His works have been exhibited in India and internationally, in Paris, London, Germany, Tokyo and in the US.
For more video, subscribe our channel and switch the bell button more. I hope you like the video. Please like and share. Thank for watching.